All right, Language Explorer. So let's look at today's word of the day. So architecture. 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 So let's try and get a picture. Blueprint. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, let's try plans. Oh, plan. Oh, no, okay. Outline. All right, okay, let's try. Okay, not quite. Okay, right. Yeah, so the art, science, and practice of designing and constructing buildings. So, how buildings are designed. Okay, in a way, you could argue this. In a way, you could argue, yeah, you can argue that in a way. The way it's designed. Yes. The size of them, the scale, the proportion, the dimensions, the size. Oops. The size, shape, material, scale, and beyond. Yeah. How things are designed. So I am an architect. Yes. The architecture here is old. It is from the 1600s. The architecture is of its time period. He knows a lot about architecture. She wants to study more about architecture. Yeah, let's change that. So she wants to study more about architecture. He knows a lot about architecture. They are experts in architecture. They are experts in architecture. Yeah. It is an architecture school. Let's change that. School. Architecture school. It is an architecture school, yeah. Oops, yeah. They teach people about architecture. They design the architecture here. I don't know much about architecture. See, I don't know much about architecture, but maybe they do. See, I don't, but maybe they do. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? What kind of architecture was that? So that architecture looks like Victorian. Yeah, with the high ceilings, big windows, and tall doors. Yeah. High ceilings, big windows, and tall doors. Yeah, and also long hallways. And long hallways. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Yeah. Yeah. So, I'm studying architecture. Yeah, he is studying architecture with me. So he is studying architecture with me. Yeah. Very good. They will go into architecture because it is the future. So when you learn more about architecture, you can, well, as you learn more about architecture, you can create and build more modern buildings for the future. Yeah, you can build futuristic buildings. Yeah, how cool is that, Language Explorers? Architecture. So, can you use architecture in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy. 2 by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.